In a world where the internet has become a significant part of our daily lives, the quest for financial independence and flexibility continues to be a driving force for many. With a seemingly endless list of online opportunities, one cannot help but wonder if there truly are legitimate methods for making money online without any upfront investment. In this video, we will explore various options and debunk the notion of doubt surrounding the potential for generating income online. Our target audience includes students, professionals, stay-at-home parents, and anyone interested in supplementing their income. Before diving into the list, it is essential to consider specific preferences, such as passive or active income methods, short-term or long-term strategies, and whether or not a specific skill set or experience level is required. Moreover, while many of these opportunities are available worldwide, some may be limited to specific geographical locations. Without further ado, let's unveil the list of legitimate methods to make money online for free. 1. Freelancing, active income. All skill levels platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect skilled individuals with clients seeking services ranging from graphic design to content writing. With no upfront costs, freelancers can showcase their skills and grow their client base over time. 2. Online tutoring, active income. Professionals/students. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, you can become an online tutor through websites like tutor.com and Teachable. This option allows you to share your expertise and earn income without any initial investment. 3. Blogging, passive income. All skill levels. Establishing a blog on a platform like WordPress or Blogger can be a lucrative way to generate passive income through ad placements and affiliate marketing. While it may take time to build an audience, the potential for long-term income is undeniable. 4. YouTube channel, passive income. All skill levels. Much like blogging, creating a YouTube channel can yield substantial passive income through ad revenue and sponsored content. The key is consistency and creativity in producing engaging content. 5. Stock photography, passive income. Intermediate skill level. If you have an eye for photography, consider selling your images on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStock. While this may require some initial effort, the passive income generated through image sales can be substantial. 6. Survey and research participation, active income. All skill levels. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon's Mechanical Turk offer payment for participating in surveys and other research tasks. While the income generated may be modest, the flexibility and lack of upfront investment make this an attractive option. 7. Dropshipping, active income. Intermediate skill level. Dropshipping involves selling products online without holding inventory. By partnering with suppliers and using platforms like Shopify, you can create an online store and earn profits without any initial investment in stock. Although doubt may linger, the reality is that numerous legitimate methods exist for making money online without any upfront investment. By considering your preferences, skill sets, and time constraints, you can find a suitable option that aligns with your goals. While the road to financial independence may be paved with challenges, the potential for success is within reach for those willing to persevere and adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape.